Okay. See how it went all the way to 75? Now it's back up there. Okay, so what would happen? Two things were happening. One is the fan box on the radiator just kept on blowing hard. It blew hard as soon as you turned on the car, and when you turned off the engine, it would run for about 5 minutes. And anyway, also the temperature in here, the middle one, the 75 one there, the Canadian one, it would just lay down. It wasn't measuring any kind of temperature. So this is where I started. You know, the first thing is I moved this guy up. You can detach it here and here at the throttle body and over here on the, I don't know, the vent thing, whatever. Anyway, then you can fold it up out of the way. So this is what I replaced first. This is the temperature, the gauge, and you just undo this little clip here. You squeeze it in and lift it off, and then you take this one off, and then you put a new one in. It's as easy as that. But it turns out that didn't solve a damn thing. So I got to thinking, you know, well, maybe it's measuring properly, but this over here, the thermostat is not making anything go through. So I replaced it, which was super easy. You need for this one, it's just, you should use this guy, needle nose pliers for that. And this also broke off inside and I had to cut it off. The other deal is, like I'm told, it's very, very common that these bolts, you lose them. And look, I did. I had to replace it down there at O'Reilly's. So I've replaced all this stuff, and then I'm thinking, okay, my problems are all solved. But then I look over here at the reservoir, and it's totally empty. And I'm thinking, what the hell? Is that what it is? So
yes, it was a rookie mistake. The fluids were low. I wasted money and time. Boo-hoo. Thank you for watching this LOM. Please like, subscribe and comment.